Hey there, day 30 of the 30-day cold brew challenge. Thank goodness we're here. All right, I'm gonna finish off strong. I'm gonna do a cake. We've got all these ingredients. We've got flour, we've got sugar, we've got eggs, we've got vegetable oil, we've got baking powder, baking soda, milk, cold brew, lemon juice, and that's it. All right, let's go. It goes into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
Stop.
So, apparently you're supposed to grease a pan a little bit better. Hashtag, I'm a roaster, not a baker. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a piece. That is, as you know, bloody delicious. Chocolate coffee crumble cake. That'll do.